Was it easier for you to come up with things that went wrong than things that went right? Me too. Turns out, this is a universal human behavior. In general, people focus more on the negative than the positive. Scientists even have a name for it. They call it negativity bias. But how exactly do they know about this bias? You can measure brain activity by putting what's called electrodes on the brain. Let's say you hook up electrodes to a bunch of people and you show them a series of pictures. The pictures aren't positive or negative. Then you show them a positive picture and you see how long it takes the brain to react. The brain will react, but it takes several seconds. If you show them a negative picture, the brain reacts immediately. And by the way, if you give people a choice, they'll continue looking at the negative picture longer. Have you ever noticed how someone can say lots of nice things to you, but if they say one mean thing, you end up thinking about the mean thing for hours or even days? This is because people are hardwired for negativity. But why? Scientists think the negativity bias kept our ancestors alive. If we missed a threat, it could be fatal. But if we missed an opportunity, it wasn't a big deal. The problem is, the world we live in now is very different from the world our ancestors lived in. Now, scientists are finding that people who have a positivity bias live longer, are healthier, and even get paid more. So what exactly are we supposed to do with all of this? Here's the cool thing. You're in charge. You actually have a lot more power than you think. You can change your brain and make it more positive. So just be positive, right? It sounds easy, and you've probably heard it 1,000 times before, but now you know it's not a natural thing for humans to do. So it takes some hard work and real practice to make it into a habit that will turn your negativity bias into a positivity bias.